Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen if it's your first time here, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, guys, it's another vlog, as you guys can tell. So I've just had breakfast. Dad and I just had breakfast, chilling, a little bit of chilling, and it's about 11 o'clock now. And today I want to show you guys my pantry. So I'm going to show you guys my pantry today, and the other thing that I wanted to show you, I'm going to spend a bit of time in the kitchen today, so you guys will just be spending time with me. Hi guys, don't mind the animal board. So I just realized we're load shedding, so I came down. Well, I changed into yesterday's outfit, guys. It has makeup, and this polo neck is the wrong way up deliberately because the makeup is all over it. I wore makeup yesterday, so I didn't shower anything today, so that's why I'm just dressed in like yesterday's outfit. So we're load shedding, and I'm like, okay, so what am I gonna do now? So we're gonna do the pantry now, and we're gonna prepare for our food. Well, we were supposed to have the food for lunch, but that's not gonna. We'll be doing my pantry now. So I'm just gonna show you guys the setup. My pantry is pretty much done. Like, it's the way I want it. I did it on the first day when we moved here, so it's been pretty solid for a while. So it's not gonna be like a traditional like vamping it up or anything like that. Okay guys, so the setup is pretty much, I just want to show you guys, this is actually what I want. This thing, I'm trying to use this today. I have never used it before, so I just want to show you guys the setup. Like I said, it's pretty much done, but I'm gonna obviously vamp it up a little bit. So I just want to show you the before, not vamp it up, but just like refill things and stuff. So I've got my big pots up there. I've got this appliance over there. That is just a tray with some snacks and all of that. So then obviously you come down like so. So this is what I'm talking about. You can see the white sugar is done, the flour is finished, the sand is running out. So this is pretty much my setup. You guys saw this in a vlog. I bought this, I bought another one of these quite recently from Wespack. This is another thing that you guys saw. So I always had these two on this side, so the ones that are back to back, but this one is the new one that I got because my sauces were spilling. So I've got an extra iron there at the back. So this is always the problem for me. This here is something that I always have to fix. But as you can see, we've got rice there, we've got some cornflakes, we've got flour there at the back, we've got sugar and stuff. So let's just do this. So you guys can see, so pretty much I keep like my bottom is pretty much always the mess, because I always, if I buy groceries, put everything in here and then I come back and sort it out when I have time. So we're gonna do that now. Yes, so this is where I keep my maize meal, and in here I keep rice. So the rice is pretty much still full. I'm just gonna refill the maize meal and the rice as well. So we're gonna do that first. maize meal is done, and I prefer this. This is actually something that Tato bought. This is from her old. Okay, so these console bottles, I got these from Wespack. I have quite a few. You guys will see a lot of them in my pantry, but the reason I like this is that it doesn't always have to be the same thing inside. So as you guys can see, these ones are pretty dirty and gunky. Even though I'm going to put in the same things, I just obviously don't want all of this there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wash these. I'm going to wash these first, and then relabel them and refill them with whatever needs to be in them. But I just wanted to show you guys that that's why I really like this concept, and that's why I went for this. I can change my mind. It can be one thing this week, it can be another thing next week, whatever is in my pantry. So it's not permanent labeling. I really like that. And I got them in different sizes, so I've got a few of these and I've got a few of these. So guys, I wanted to show you this cloth for glasses. I use this on my glass table. I use this on the stove. Not necessarily a lot on the stove because I found another one, but this Edis glass cloth is the one. I'm telling you now. Mirrors. I buy them. I buy all of them when I see them because I struggle to find it. guys, so I'm also gonna sort this out. I don't know how to do this with you guys yet. I'm just gonna try. Okay, so this is my little snack jar, and guys, just a side note, I'm obsessed with glass. I love glass. I bought one of these quite recently as well, but yeah, so basically I keep all my packet soups in this thing over here. I'm gonna sort them out, and then my actual, the ones that I'm using, like for instance cream of tomato, a sealed one, will be in here. You can see some of them are open. Nothing is perfect, guys, but mostly I put them in there. So I'm gonna go try and find cream of tomato and also rich oxtail, and fill that up. So I found one. Sometimes, you know, things happen. So tired. Okay guys, so that's pretty much all my stuff. That's not all out, but this is all the stuff that I needed to sort out. Here I've got these storage boxes. You guys saw me buy one extra in a previous vlog, but basically this is what I do with them. I just put in things that are like speaking to each other, a little bit similar, so that I know where to go if I'm looking for something. So this is like my baking extras and all of that. This is a whole lot of like open packet soups, but a lot of the time I keep this sort of stuff in there. So your sauces, these are just like if I need to make a quick cheating mince, so that's all of that stuff. But like I said, most of my packet soups are in here. And then in here we've got these sort of things like pastes, tomato paste, so stewy things. And then here is really just miscellaneous. Yeah, because they don't fit anywhere, so I just put them in here. But yeah, I'm gonna now quickly put everything back, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished results. And then I think I'm gonna close off this vlog, guys. Yeah, so this is where we are currently. I just wanted to show you guys that you guys saw me pick that up, and you also saw me pick this one up. So this one is gonna go on top of that one, and yeah, so, and then these also go at the bottom, so these ones also go at the bottom. So I'm gonna do that quickly. I don't think I'm gonna get all of that in frame, but I'm gonna try for you guys so you guys can see everything. But yeah, I'm about to get done here. So at the back here you see my spices all color coordinated. It doesn't always look like this, obviously. Sometimes things happen, but I try to keep it like that. It's pretty easy to keep color coordinated, so that's not a problem. And then I've got more spices over here and more other weird and wonderful things. Another sentimental thing, this is from Tato's first apartment, so it just sits there because I don't want to get rid of it. And my sauces, more sauces. And then here I've got like teas and coffees. All my teas are in here. And then like peanut butters and honey and like little, like, this is a lot of like breakfasty, but you can see like there's random stuff here as well. Aromat, use quite a lot of that. Salt, so this is because it's easy to access, so I'll just go in and out there usually. So yeah, I think that is all, and that is my pantry, guys. That is the pantry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed it.